My topic is Logic Gates, Unit 3. Subject is Digital Electronics in Mechanical Department. So, we start. First of all, what is Logic Gates? Then, Logic Gates can be defined as they are used for logical operations such as addition, multiplication, etc. Now, further we move. There are different types of logic gates. With the help of these gates, further we realize the equations in simple way. Now, first logic gate is OR gate. OR gate is used for addition of two inputs. Means we can say that addition logical operation is performed by the OR gate. The truth table of, first of all, we here make the symbol of OR gate. This is the symbol of OR gate. Here there are two inputs, first A and second is B. Then we can get one output, that is y equal to A plus B. Simply we can say that at input we apply two inputs. We can apply more than two inputs also. If we apply two inputs AB, then at output we can get y equal to A plus B. Addition of both the inputs. Now we will make truth table of OR gate. So this is input section, inputs. Here output, first input A, then input B. At output we will get y equal to A plus B. Here we can consider what we can consider inputs. Suppose A is 0, B is 0, A is 0, B is 1, A is 1, B is 0, last 1, 1 means A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Here y equal to A plus B means 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 1, 1 height. This is the truth table of logical OR gate. Previously I was saying that here we are using two inputs. We can also use more than two inputs. Suppose we are using three inputs, then our logical symbol will be first input suppose A, second input B, third input C, then output Y will be A plus B plus C. We can go further. We can draw the truth table for 3 inputs also. Here 2 inputs. In that case, we can draw truth table in which we will use 3 inputs. Now, further moving to next gate, that is AND gate. Second gate, AND gate. We can say it performs multiplication, logical operation. Multiplication logical operation. Next, we will draw the symbol diagram of AND gate. Symbol diagram of AND gate, if we are considering 2 inputs A, B, then output Y will be multiplication of these 2 inputs A into B. Now moving to make truth table of AND gate. Truth table of AND gate. Here we will consider also both inputs AB and output Y. These are inputs and this is output. Again, we will consider the values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now first considering when input A is 0 and input B is 0. Y equal to A into B means 0 into 0, B will get 0. Again, for A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, 0 into 1, we will obtain 0. Third case, when A is 1, 1 into 0, 0.
And 1.
Next case, when both the inputs are high, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, then output Y equal to 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1 means high. Only when A and B are 1, 1, then
1.
high value is obtained. Remaining 3 values will give low. Low means 0. 1 means high. Now moving further to next gate, that is NOT gate. Third is NOT gate. NOT gate, as we can sense from here, NOT gate means it gives reversible output. Reversible means if we are applying at input A, then at output we will obtain A bar, means inverse of this input. So we can say it will give inverse operation of input applied. Symbol diagram. Suppose we are taking A as input, at output we will obtain A bar, means A is applied and inverse of this input, that is A bar is obtained. Further moving to truth table of this gate. We will consider input, here output. Suppose we are taking 0 at input, then 1 will be obtained at output. Second case, if we are considering 1 at input, then 0 will be obtained at output. Means both the reverse operations. Now fourth gate used is NAND gate. NAND gates. NAND gate means here we can see not AND. NAND means not AND. Not AND. It has two or more than two inputs. Now we will make symbolic diagram. Suppose there are two inputs A and B. Here y equal to A dot B bar, means here we can see AND with NOT. Here this is the representation of AND, and this representation shows that this complete structure forms NAND operation. Y equal to A dot B bar. Okay. We can also make another structure as NOT AND. Firstly, A input, B input, here AB, then we will use one inverter, then we will obtain AB bar at output. Y equal to A dot B bar. Further moving to truth table of NAND gate. Inputs are A, B, these are inputs and output is y, that is a dot b bar. Here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. First case 0 into 0 0 0 bar 1. Second case 0 into 1 0 0 bar 1. Third case 1 into 0 0 0 bar 1. And last case 1 into 1 1 1 bar 0. From here we can conclude that on these inputs we will obtain high values, but only in the case of when A is 1, B is 1, we are getting low value, that is 0. Now further moving to next gate. Next gate number 5, that is NOR gate. NOR gate means not or. Not or. Here we can say that it is the contraction of not or gate. Contraction of not or gate. We can make symbolic diagram of this as we are considering two inputs A, B. Now y equal to A plus B. After that we will use the NOT gate. Here output y will be obtained A plus B bar. Now further moving to truth table of NOR gate. We will consider inputs A, B, output Y, that is A plus B bar. Again 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 plus 0 0 0 bar 1. 0 plus 1 1 1 bar 0. 1 plus 0 1 1 bar 0. 1 plus 1 1 1 bar 0. Means when input A and input B both are low, then we will get high value, that is 1. And in other three cases where inputs are combined as 0 1 1 0 1 1, we will always get low values of signals. Now moving further, another important gate is exclusive exclusive or gate. Exclusive OR gate, we can symbolize this like inputs A, B, and out will be Y. That is A exclusive B. And what is the meaning of exclusive? We can further write y equal to a bar b plus ab bar. Now in next case we can make circuit diagram to obtain a bar b plus ab bar. Here we first use two AND gates. Input A, here input B, NOT gate means after applying NOT gate we will get here A bar, and here after applying NOT gate we will get B bar. Our aim is to obtain A bar B plus AB bar. A bar B means this is the logical operation of AND gate. Firstly, inverse of A multiplied by B, then addition of A into inverse of B. From here we will obtain A bar B, then A bar this, and second B. Here B, here A bar B, and here AB bar. AB bar means this A is fed here, means A. At this output we will obtain AB bar, and our aim is to obtain A bar B plus AB bar. Plus means OR operation, OR gate is applied here, means at this end A bar B, from here AB bar, then last output Y will be obtained OR operation A bar B plus AB bar, or we can say Y equal to A exclusive B. Truth table of XOR gate. At inputs output A B, put Y equal to A bar B plus AB bar, combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here A bar B means 1 into 0, 0 plus AB bar, 0, 0 will obtain. A bar B means 1 into 1, 1 plus AB bar, means 1 will be obtained. 1 plus 0 1. Third case 1 0 1 bar 0 0 into 0 0 plus AB bar 1 into 1 1. Last when A equal to 1 B equal to 1. A bar 0 0 into 1 0 plus AB bar 1 into 0 means 0 plus 0 0. Further moving to next gate. That is exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate. The output of exclusive NOR gate will be A exclusive B bar. A exclusive B bar. Now we will make symbolic diagram. A B output Y equal to A exclusive B. Further using NOT gate, then output will be Y equal to A exclusive B bar. Then A exclusive B bar means A bar B dot AB bar whole bar from here A plus B bar into A bar plus B equal to AB plus A bar B bar. This will be obtained. Now these were the important gates which are very necessary to understand the logical operations. Next we will realize different problems by using these gates. Now, suppose our problem is, take an example. Realize the logical expression of Y equal to B bar dot C bar plus A bar dot C bar plus A bar dot B bar using logical gates. Now our problem is to realize the logical operation of Y equal to B bar to C bar plus A bar into C bar plus A bar into B bar. Take this equation y equal to b bar dot c bar plus a bar dot c bar plus a bar dot b bar. Here three parts are available. First is b bar into c bar, second a bar into c bar, third is a bar into b bar. Means two addition and 3 points multiplication. So firstly input A, input B, input C. Here B bar, C bar, A bar are needed, so we will invert this input as applying an inverter. Again for this we will apply an inverter. Again for this we will apply an inverter. After applying an inverter we will get A bar, here B bar, here C bar. Now our aim is first part B bar into C bar, B bar into C bar. B bar into C bar is obtained by AND gate. Here B bar, C bar, second A bar, C bar. For this another AND gate, A bar and we are needing C bar, then C bar this point. Here A bar, C bar. And third part A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar, here we will get A bar dot B bar. A bar dot C bar obtained, B bar dot C bar obtained, A bar dot B bar obtained. Now our aim is to add these three parts. For addition, we will use an OR gate because we know that for addition OR gate is used. Now we will fit these three inputs as A bar dot C bar, B bar dot C bar, A bar dot B bar. Now at last output by, that is the logical operation, or that is A bar dot C bar plus B bar dot C bar plus A bar dot B bar. This was our aim to obtain. Here we have realized this equation y equal to B bar dot C bar plus A bar dot C bar plus A bar dot B bar. Now further we can realize another equations also. These equations will be in my next lecture. Thanks a lot.